Welcome back. In this week's Outdoor Report, Winston Greeley shows us one of the rarest living things in Montana and tells us why it's a conservation success story.
One of the rarest living beings you'll ever see in the world is located in Montana's Seeley Swan Valley.
Water Howellia is a very unique plant species. It's found only in these shallow wetlands in the Swan Valley.
Out of the 300 locations where water Howellia is found in the western U.S., Montana is home to more than 200 of them, making the Seeley Swan a special place for this threatened plant.
The sites that we have in Montana represent about 2/3 of the known species in the world. So the Swan Valley is very special for lots of ecological reasons. Water Howellia is certainly one of those.
Water Howellia needs dry ground in the fall for its seed to germinate. These seedlings overwinter under snow and then grow as the pond recharges with water. The Howellia flowers in midsummer and then drops its seeds. The drying of the pond in late summer into fall allows a process to begin again.
It's very much a balancing act between adequate water and adequate drying on a yearly basis.
Because of this sensitive life cycle, conservation measures have been put in place to protect the Howellia going forward.
Due to the specialized habitat, we do have conservation measures in place on Forest Service lands in the Swan Valley, and then we work with other agencies to help maintain the integrity of the habitats around the small ponds.
These conservation measures have led to a call to delist the water Howellia, a success in conservation that gets lost in the valley's other charismatic living beings.
You know, there's the obvious splendor, grizzly bears, lynx, bull trout. And then we have Howellia, this thing that grows in these quiet ponds, and people drive by every day and have no idea this really incredibly rare plant is growing right here in the Swan Valley.
I'm Winston Greeley, out among Montana's fish, wildlife, and parks.
Water Howellia is also found in Idaho, Washington, Oregon, and California.